everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn English. Today's topic is connectors. So let's start. These connectors are used in the sentences. So the first one is even though. Sentence: I won't go to the party even though I was invited. Next is while. Sentence: while she was walking, I was running. Next is when. Sentence: he had climbed many mountains when he was a boy. Next is so that. Sentence: you're very late so that we cannot start the lesson. Next is once. Sentence: once I start, I must continue. Next is after. Sentence: Mary arrived after Alex left. Next is unless. Sentence: you don't need to go unless you want to. Next is since. Sentence: since I see you, I'm better. Next is whether. Sentence: I don't know whether she will be admitted to the university. Next is whereas. Sentence: I use water when making pasta, whereas my mom uses eggs. Next is even if. Sentence: even if Alex earned a big salary, he would not buy a fast car. Next is provided. Sentence: they can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. Next is because. Sentence: we cannot go on holidays because we don't have enough money. Next is rather than. Sentence: a company is stronger if it is bonded by love rather than by fear. Next is before. Sentence: before I have breakfast, I always have a shower. Next is wherever. Sentence: they can go wherever they want. Next is yet. Sentence: the weather was snowy, yet it is not cold. Next is despite. Sentence: I can manage to stay cheerful despite everything. Next is even so. Sentence: the hypothesis is true. Even so, further research is required. Next is although. Sentence: although she loves her job, she decided to quit her job. So that is the video regarding connectors. I hope that will be very helpful for you all. So for more videos, like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you so very much. Have a nice day to all.